And if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell.
This is the Xbox One X Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order bundle. First thing in the box is a code for Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, the Deluxe Edition. What's in the Deluxe Edition that I happen to be looking at?
Great question. We have the Crimson skin for BD1, Crimson skin for the Stinger Mantis, the digital art book, and the behind the scenes documentary.
Xbox One X is absolutely the best way to experience Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order.
So we've got Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Live Gold, and then EA Access.
There you go, everyone. We've unboxed the Xbox One X bundle with Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, and it's available now.
If you like this product, below in the description you have the link to go to the store.